Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. We did a lot of work to our Acura ZDX recently, and we did the whole timing belt change, the oil pump reseal and everything. So this is kind of a post update afterwards, after 1,000 miles. So we drove the car, we've been testing it, we drove up to Atlanta, Georgia from Florida, and we put over 1,000 miles on our car since the repair and timing belt replacement. So basically, yeah, I just wanted to double check everything. There was a lot that was involved while we were doing the maintenance and repair. So yeah, a lot was involved, and there was a couple mistakes I made in the timing belt videos. Hopefully whoever's following the video catches these new updated videos to basically make sure you do it the correct way, exactly how the Acura OEM service manual wants you to do it. I went into the video description and updated the video description so other people know the torque specs for the crank pulley. Yeah, so basically here, let's get going, and I'm gonna show you what I'm checking to make sure the car is still good. I haven't had a chance to check it out yet to make sure if it's loose or tight, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out right now. So I tightened it to 48 foot-pounds, but you're supposed to rotate it an additional 60 degrees after the bolt is tightened. I'm trying to see if there's a way to reach this without removing the wheel. You can see it right there, but here, let me turn the steering wheel to the right. See, we cleared up enough room to climb under. Okay, that seems fine. All right, so I'm gonna grab my tools. We need 19 millimeter. So I bought those, the special socket for this one. It's a weighted socket, and then this is the holder. So I'm setting this up for 48 foot-pounds. Let's see if it got loose at all. And we need to hold it, keep it from spinning. So we'll have to use this. All right, it's still tight. So this is 48 foot-pounds. So we want to rotate it an additional 60 degree. So let's say 90 degree would bring this torque wrench to here. So we want 2/3 of that. 60 degree would be about right here. It's on there. All right, well, that one's on there really tight. I can't even rotate it. So it's not coming loose, and we've driven all the way to Atlanta, Georgia already with it, over 1,000 miles. I think it should be good. Okay, so I double checked to see if the bolt came loose at all, and we checked it at 48 foot-pounds. It's pretty tight. I tried to rotate it a little bit more, but it wouldn't even budge, so I don't want to force it. What I'll do is I'm going to order another crank pulley bolt, and we're going to switch out the crank pulley bolt completely to a brand new one. I'll just wait for it to arrive in the mail. That's going to be pretty in-depth too, because I have to remove the drive belt in order to install it. But we'll torque it correctly with a 60 degree turn as well after you torque it to 48 foot-pounds. But that'll come up whenever I have a chance to get it done. But So we have our new radiator cap in. I already took off the old radiator cap, and here's our new one. This one is not broken right there. So what I did was basically this is how you install it. Put it on like that, and you twist clockwise there. So this is the new radiator cap. It didn't come with the plastic heat protector. So what I did was I pried off our old cover from the old cap, and basically you just take this and you press it down. There. When I changed this, what I did was you have to transfer. This is the original tube from our car. All we got was a cap, so the cap was like there. It came. So what I ordered was this cap, and you just basically you have to transfer. This hose is reused, and then this is reused. Clean this a little bit dirty. Try to clean it and try not to get anything inside your coolant reservoir. This is all brand new coolant inside, so we changed the whole coolant. There. Clean it up with just a little bit, make it look a little better, and keep this from rotating, and you rotate this bottom. And I wouldn't tighten it too much. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah. It doesn't have to be airtight in here. It needs room to, it breathes. So it's not a fully enclosed system. All right, well, that's pretty much it. So new radiator cap, new reservoir cap, and I double checked the crank pulley bolt, and it should be good until we get our replacement in, but it's drivable right now. Well, that's pretty much it for the update. The car has been great. It runs like a brand new car now. We don't have any more oil leaks at all. So no more oil leaks. It looks pretty dry. Yeah, we've been driving this every day, and it's been great. It's fun to feel like it's a new car again after so many miles. But we still love our Acura ZDX. We'll keep this thing going as long as we can. So we drove this car to Atlanta, Georgia while we were testing it to visit some family. Hi, Inui.